I'm shooting something tomorrow with a kind of famous person. I can't just like screw it up. Oh, I can't screw it up. What's up, internet? Boom, nailed it. Backwards hat. What's up, internet? Josh Becker here again with a public service announcement about shoot day prep, specifically the night before. So in this video, I'm gonna break down from a lot of experience how to prepare properly the night before your shoot, especially when you are a crew of one human being, because tomorrow is not the day to find out things weren't prepared. First things first. Since we are actually planning an actual shoot with an actual person that's actually coming here tomorrow, we need to start at the beginning, which is, what the hell are we going to shoot? I have a shoot tomorrow with a person that is considered a celebrity, Chris O'Shea. His Instagram game is a little bit on the weak side. He doesn't put a lot of time, effort, or weight behind it. His Instagram presence, his photos. So I'll do you some photos for free, my friend. In turn, I'll have my boy Matt Schneider, camera wizard, shoot it. So I get some content to share with you. He gets some content for the Instagram, which is, I'm sure his agent will love. He will be indifferent. Tomorrow we're doing an outdoor photography session. It's gonna be a conversation between myself, my friend O'Shea, while I'm taking photos of him. We're not going to have a script for this. This is more like a reality show meets a vlog, meets a tutorial. Since it's mostly a visual thing, I'm just gonna have an outline of what I'm trying to get associated with frame rates, because we're gonna have to shoot certain things at a certain time. 2 people on camera, a little talking, a little walking, and that's it. There you go. That is planning the shoot. Where are we gonna do that, you ask? That's the next step. Step 2, locations. So depending on what kind of content you're shooting, locations can be really hard and extremely important. That's why on film sets, reality TV shows, any kind of TV shows, it's an entire job. You need that environment. You need all the producers to be there, the talent to be comfortable. You need the camera guys to be able to get in, get out. You need shade, you need parking, you need bathrooms, you need a place to eat. So in a lot of reality TV shows, we have an AP, which is an associate producer, or a production manager, finding and managing these locations. For the practical exercise of this shoot, which is happening tomorrow, we're gonna stay close to home, and I know a little spot, which is a decommissioned road, maybe? I can drive there, I can park there. It's got a nice little sunset lookout, has some shade. If anything goes completely off the rails, we can just come back here and figure it out in my backyard. Locations, important, handled, down. Next problem. It is scheduling. As a former AD, the schedule is everything. You break it down based on what you're shooting. You shoot all the night stuff with this person here, you shoot all the day stuff with this person here, and you block shoot it. Tomorrow we are shooting with 2 people in natural light. That is important. Natural light, meaning the sun goes down at like 5:06. I'm gonna build my schedule back from that point in time. I'm gonna get my best stuff at golden hour. We've heard this term. Golden hour, golden hour, golden hour. Your entire day of shooting is based on that sunrise hour and that sunset hour. Movie crews got sick of this, and they spend a lot of money on grip equipment and lights and extravagant setups to reproduce golden hour, because you can't just shoot for an hour every day. It's really hard to get everything you want to get in that scene in 1 hour while the sun is creeping down. As an AD, you just watch your whole life disappearing over the horizon before your eyes. We're gonna build our schedule backwards from sunset. I'm gonna get my best photos and video between 4:45, 5:15. It's a half an hour of good stuff. That's what we're doing then. Boom, put it on the schedule. Next problem. Before 4:45, the sun is gonna be low enough to get decent photos, but do most of our chit-chatty talk. My man Schneider is gonna be shooting in 24 frames a second because I'm gonna be recording the audio and I wanna sync the audio and the video together. We're gonna do a whole block of filming in Verite or reality, which will be 24 frames a second. And then we're gonna group our B-roll slow-mo stuff together because you changed the camera setting and you're not gonna get audio. So we're just gonna specifically shoot slow-mo in a specific block of time. The light won't be great between 3 and like 4:15. And there's a little shady spot with a cool wall that I know we can get some photos in. And if they're not great, they're not great. We don't need the sun for that. And that's my warm-up time because the first thing you shoot is the worst thing you shoot. That's a cool phrase. The first thing you shoot is the worst thing you shoot. That's why we usually have people redo their intros. Hey, my name is Josh, what's up? We do it at the end because at the end, you're feeling yourself and you can kind of kill the intro a little bit more. That's a secret tip. Do the intros at the beginning, just the warm-up. You're not going to use them. Then do them at the end. So my schedule is set. Camera wizard Matt Schneider is coming over to my house at 1:30. Talent Chris O'Shea coming over at 3 p.m. First shot, ideally 3:30. But these shots are warm-up shots because that's right. The first thing you shoot is the worst thing you shoot. We figured out what we're shooting. We figured out where we're shooting it. And we figured out the schedule in which we are going to shoot the thing. What's next? What are we going to shoot it with? This is where things can hit the fan. Cameras don't work. They overheat. You forgot memory cards. You ran out of memory cards. You ran out of batteries. You don't have audio equipment. Your audio equipment doesn't fit the camera. I've done this a lot. It all comes down to the gear prep. Make sure you got what you need to get what you want. That's another good phrase. So what gear you're going to bring is a whole nother video topic. But for me, it's based on what you're shooting. Tomorrow, there's going to be 2 guys with cameras. I have 2 cameras. I have a bunch of lenses. I need to mix and match because we don't want to be switching out lenses. We're outside. We only have a couple hours. There's a lot of dust. So we need to be like assassins with a plan. What I'm going to need is very basic. Stills camera. I use it all the time, every day. Good to go. I'm going to go 64 gig memory card for the A7 II. I'm going to have a ton of batteries because I have a ton of batteries for this thing. They're charging right behind me. Because tomorrow, you're not going to be able to charge your batteries. Today is the day. And we need a lot of them because the minute you run out of batteries, everything, millions of dollars just goes. It's bad news. So this camera works. And the camera wizard Matt Schneider is coming over tomorrow at, what does the schedule say? 1:30 in the afternoon to help me figure it out. Settings, color profile, blah, blah, blah. Big problem for tomorrow is going to be audio. This shotgun mic that I got, again, I get everything from Amazon. It's a knockoff Rode microphone. It works fine. And lastly, let me leave you with the most important part of prep day. Go to sleep. You want to be on your A game. You want to chit chat. You want to be cool. You want to be fun. That's why we prep. We prep so we can relax on the day of. You're going to have fun. You're going to be loose. Because if you have fun, you're going to get better stuff. Put more time into prep day so you can sleep on prep night. So wish me luck on the shoot tomorrow and look out for the video. Which hat should you wear? That's actually important.